Hello and welcome to Excel in Excel. In this video, we are going to learn how to align text in a cell. So let's get started. If you'd like to realign text in a cell to enhance the visual presentation of your data, here's how you can do it. So select the cell for which you want the text to get aligned. Go to the Home tab and choose one of the alignment options. So the first we have how to vertically arrange the text. So let's say I select this data, pick top align, the text goes to the top. When I pick middle align, the text comes to the middle, and when I select bottom align, the text comes to the bottom. So this is how you can vertically arrange your text. If you want to align it horizontally, you can choose the left align, the middle align and the right align. The next option we have is to decrease the indent or to increase the indent. So if you want to make your cell closer to the border, you can just keep clicking this. So let's say if I select this and I want it to be far from the border, so I can click this to increase. You can see the gap has increased. The next option we have is the wrap text, which we use when we have a long line of text and part of which is not visible. So if you see this here, few text isn't visible. So when I just select the cell and click on wrap text, you can see now the entire data is visible. This would not change your column width but increase the row height. The next option we have in this alignment group is the merge and center. So let's say you have a title here as stock market data rather. So I would write stock market data, and now I want this to come in the center of my data. So what I would do is select the cells, click on merge and center, and that would merge all the cells and center align my data. If you want to change the orientation, you can use any of the options here. If you want your data to appear in counterclockwise or clockwise or vertically or rotate text. So you have a lot of options here to do that. So now again you would ask me, are these the only options available in the alignment group? Then my answer would be no. You can see a small arrow here, right? So this is for alignment settings. If you click on this, a format cells dialog box will pop up in which you have a lot of options. In our previous video, we have covered the font, border and fill. So if you haven't seen it, please do go and watch it. So in the alignment, you can see most of the options that were there are here again. Like if you want to align the text horizontally left, center, right, and you have other options also available. Also, we have seen about the indent. So an important option that I would like to show here is the center across selection. Now this is a very useful tool or a very useful option when you have a title and you want it to appear in the center, and also you do not want to merge the cells. So let's say I unmerge the cells and I select where I want to center it. I go to the alignment option in the format cells dialog box, click on center across selection and click OK. And this centers my data, but it does not merge cells. You can see I'm able to select all the cells that are there in this row, and still my data is in center. So what it does not merge any cells, just it centers the text among my selection. So next options you have in the alignment group is the wrap text, which we have seen, the merge cells, which we have seen, the shrink to fit. So let me show you shrink to fit. So I select this cell and click on shrink to fit, click OK, and that would shrink my data without changing the column width or the row height. So this is the use of how to shrink and fit the cells into the available space. So this is all about the alignment group in the Home tab.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for instant updates. See you in the next video.